Welcome to 4th Industrial Avenue, the place to discover tomorrow's tech today. Journey with us as we navigate the fascinating realms of cryptocurrency, AI, and the metaverse. Prepare to delve into the future. Today's adventure? Graphene batteries, the next big thing in energy storage. So, what's the buzz about graphene batteries? They're turning heads as a game-changing innovation in the world of energy storage. But why? Time to untangle the mystery behind their unique properties and advantages over traditional batteries. First, let's define graphene. Imagine a single layer of carbon atoms meticulously arranged in a two-dimensional honeycomb lattice. Despite being a million times thinner than a strand of human hair, it's incredibly strong, flexible, and a superior conductor of electricity and heat. Now, how do these characteristics revolutionize battery technology? Traditional lithium-ion batteries, while reliable, have their drawbacks such as extended charging times, shorter lifespan, and potential safety hazards like overheating and flammability. Enter graphene batteries, bringing a host of key advantages to the table. Think about charging your device faster. Graphene batteries can charge up to 5 times more quickly than their lithium-ion counterparts. Visualize fully charging your smartphone in mere minutes rather than hours. Consider greater capacity. With a higher energy density, graphene batteries can store more energy in the same amount of space. This can dramatically extend the battery life of your devices. Imagine a longer lifespan. Graphene batteries can withstand more charge and discharge cycles without losing their capacity, making them more durable and cost-effective in the long run. And don't forget improved safety. Less prone to overheating and more resistant to physical damage, graphene batteries enhance safety compared to traditional batteries. Take the automotive industry as an example. Electric vehicles are on the rise, but charging times often pose a concern. With graphene batteries, these vehicles could charge much faster, making them more practical for daily use and potentially speeding up the transition away from fossil fuel-powered vehicles. Thanks for journeying with us down 4th Industrial Avenue. If you've enjoyed this tech exploration, why not subscribe and ring that notification bell? You'll secure a front-row seat to all our future tech adventures. And remember, while we adore diving into the world of technology, the insights we share are purely educational, not financial advice. Your journey is uniquely yours, so conduct your own research before investing. Until our next adventure, stay curious and continue exploring the wonders of tech.